Hello again everyone, bring a new video for that again financial markets. We're going to use this strategy which consists of one just indicator. First let's go to the time frame. 30 seconds and the classic candles. Indicators we're gonna use only moving average. Okay, 20 periods, WMA. We're gonna try that together during this video. Alright. So the color is up to you. If you want to use that, feel free to do that. Guys, this strategy was consists of a pullback from the moving average using mentioned above plus and pullback. Well, rejection, pullback, correction, call it everyone. So let's go to the expiration time, 1 minute 40 seconds, as I said. And we got a good opportunity on this moment. I couldn't lose this one. And that's a good downtrend. You can see that point just created that highest point until this. And we got a good downtrend. Alright. That's just pretty good. Okay, the entry should have been here. The payout is here is down. It's already analyzed the pair. So we just need to follow this one. It's taking more for the sake of the video. But the entry should have been up in here. The average not here, but I wanted to take a risk. You can see that too. When it just change the time frame, you can see that's happening here. Okay, sometimes you can lose out on this movement because it's bearish anyway. Have the advantage. Okay, you can see that point on this one right now. Okay, and look at this, guys. We got our first one. $60 of profit. That's very good. So let's look for another similar entry with the 80 moving average return on the pullback. Okay, there's look like we have the second one. That's pretty good. Generally for the pullbacks entries, I have to wait for the price return to my zone of to my average, which would be my zone of interest, and enter that direction. Of course, here I see the price reaction suddenly sometimes goes very far. I have to be very aware of that. Okay, so that is an upside. You can see that right here. That's good, an uptrend. So let's try to follow this up. All right. So that's it's going to enter the upside here. That's 40 seconds remaining. And nothing to declare of this one, guys, for now. Within 1 minute, few seconds late this and enter this. Very useful. So let's try this. No breaking the average for now. This is volatility, so I have to be more patient because I might be too eager to enter. And look at that perspective right now, guys. 10 seconds remains, and that is beautiful. That is so good. All right.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
All right, last seconds and volatility days. We just got this, baby. Another win, another profit, $114, and that is pretty good. You also decide when to enter if you wait for 2 candles, and that's just boom, very good. All right, I entered the upside. This. That's again. Let's take a look. You can see that's very good. Alright, and look at this right now, guys. Your USD just put that an upside again. So the bad thing is that's a downturn, but look at close it here. It could be that price it's breaking through, because look at it's a double button. If you look at this in large time frame, you also have to consider the price has support from here. So that's we'll try to get a correction, and that's kind of pullback. Alright, so slow down here and arrives here, and when it enters inside the 20 period moving average in 1 minute, but above the 30 seconds one, I see the prices here is falling sharply. Wow, it goes back again.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
The price makes a pullback, rejects, and that's it's giving me the upward momentum. And look at this. 10 seconds remaining. You have to look at all the time frames. At least 1 minute, right? Don't forget about that. If I use 30 seconds, okay. Boom! Almost $200, guys. $100.94 in my account. That's just pretty good. Pretty good. Alright? Guys, if you like this video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments there. Any question, you can use that as average, but this is a good average, guys. That is pullback strategy. I wait for it to come back and see what it does when it's come back. It's going to come back suddenly, because sometimes I'm focused here on downside because it's pullback. I lose it because I don't wait for the confirmation. So wait for that. Be patient. I just increased my accounts $4 to 194, almost 200 profits. Very good. All right. See you in the live sessions, guys, every day. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Wish you good profits. See you. Bye-bye.